Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes microphone not working on Windows 11 fix. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Recording Audio. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Microphone. Turn on microphone access, also turn on Let apps access your microphone. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Sound Settings. Click Recording tab, select Show Disabled Devices, also select Show Disconnected Devices, select Default, click Properties. Click Levels table, change to maximum, increase microphone boost, click Apply, click Advanced tab, uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Communications tab, check Do Nothing. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand audio inputs and outputs, right-click Microphone, click Update Driver. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand audio inputs and outputs, right-click Microphone, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.